in peace!
If I changed everything, the way I walk, the way I breathe, will my fate shift into the night? But here I am, same old thing, thinking deep, no ecstasy. Reality haunts the living night. If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same.
Take the dot matrix board, and try to hold a diode in a hole in the order followed in a circuit diagram.
Simple for you.
Terminal pins of diode is too long, so it is not comfortable to hold in a dot matrix circuit board. Cut the elongated terminal pins of diode to short, and fold the two terminal pins like this. Now the diodes are ready to hold in a dots in a board. Hold the two terminals of 4 diodes one by one in a board, like rhombus mentioned in a circuit diagram. Four diodes are successfully holded.
Time won't change anything.
Let the terminal of one diode is soldering with another diode, follows the circuit diagram.
Brushed against the tide. Maybe once, maybe twice, turned around to save the time. Now I know how to leave the sign.
Now we hold the voltage regulator.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night.
Cut the elongated terminal pins.
Even if I want to realign, 'cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind?
Now we soldering the input terminal of regulator and the diode like this.
When the dark is growing and the light is closing in, tell me where you're going.
Let the terminal of diode is extend for to connect the ground of voltage regulator. Now we hold the 35-volt capacitor, and connect it to the input terminal of voltage regulator and the ground. Now we soldering the input terminal of voltage regulator and the one terminal of capacitor. Now we take the single strand wire, and remove the insulator coating around the wire. The bit strand wire to be soldering with the ground terminal of voltage regulator and the capacitor to the already extended terminal of diodes. Cut the extended bit of wire. Now we soldering the another 25 volt capacitor with bit of wire, as same as the 35 volt capacitor. Now we connect the input wire to diodes for to give input power from transformer. The another input wire at another terminal. Now we connect output ground, and positive wire at the capacitor. The positive output wire. After, the two resistors will be connected to positive at voltage regulator output and LED's positive terminal. Also, soldering the LED to ground. Must check whether the short circuit is occur or not. If occur, correction is must. Cut the elongated wires. Input wire is connected with transformer output, and check to give AC supply. Oh no, not working. Let's fix the problem. I think the battery is drained. Let we change this with new one. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's ready to test. Yeah, it's working. For the purpose of charging 12-volt battery, we use clips to connect with wire. Insulation is must to prevent to short circuit. Now we charge the battery. Yes, successfully charged.